In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. Intersect dreams that intertwine, and in the gaze of a stranger we find pieces of ourselves. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. We thank you for the memories, for the hugs, for the journey that shapes and transforms us. Beautiful life, you are the song that never says goodbye, never says goodbye. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter.
Harap?
Yeah.
Wow. Ang layo ni Teacher Dea, hindi ko siya mabidyohan.
Okay.
Yeah. Sarap. Yummy. Yan. Teacher Tin. Sarap. Yummy.
May nagpe-play ba kay Teacher Rosie?
Kung gusto ka niya, pupili siya ng menu niya.
Okay na sabi niya sa Teacher Rosie.
Yeah.
Gusto niya, sendan daw siya naman.
Ang galing ni Mary Grace Piatos.
Pwede niya naman
Table.
Okay, second batch. Second batch.
Uy, table ka na walang hawak ng kahit ano.
Yung mga katabi mo kasi, Sergio, laging may camera.
Pili na kayo.
May
Hello, second floor.
Okay, charot ulit kayo. Sir, harap pa naman sa amin. Ready na kami.
Check it out. First floor. Ang babaeng Latina, anong masasabi mo?
Nabusog na.
Ang babaeng Latina, busog na busog na. Second emotion.
Sumakses. Sumakses siya eh.
Sumakses eh.
O, ikaw naman.
Busog na ako.
Tia Grace. Kumusta ka naman dyan?
So cool.
Ito po ang problema na ang hirap lutasan, pero napakasarap. Ito po, paano po namin uubusin ito? Paano po uubusin? Babaeng Latina, paano natin uubusin ito?
Hindi ko din po ano.
I surrender.
My life to you.
Ang laking problema.
O yung gagawin pa naman tayo dito.
Hindi po namin alam kung paano uubusin.
Ano may kuya yung